We have a new, larger account for Barrett that we onboarded about a year ago now. They are a high-end sneaker and apparel company. They're very unique to Barrett in the fact that every single pair of sneakers that we have is serialized and bagged, so we don't know the contents of the box. And the drone has been able to increase our number of counts that we're doing, like 15 to 20% per week. Just to put it into perspective, we have around 450 to 500,000 sneakers and apparel in the warehouse right now, and every single one of those is uniquely serialized and it's his own item number. So as you can imagine, if you do put away wrong or misplace one of those items, it can be like going through a needle through a haystack to find that. And not to mention the value of the product is very high, so we've been able to get 99.95 to 100% LP accuracy most weeks since they've onboarded, and this has helped tremendously with the Gather AI drones. The customer also absolutely loves them, and we were able to implement the drones a couple of months ago for this account. It took a lot of work because there's so many LPs that we have in the system that we had to develop a whole new report to be able to count them live, but it's helped tremendously, and the customer is really happy with it. Their previous provider before Barrett was really poor with inventory. That was one of their main concerns, so it's been able to help us operationally and then also help us on the customer satisfaction side. So